Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore email campaigns with Mailchimp segmentation and automation step by step clearly. To restore your email campaigns in Mailchimp using segmentation and automations, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Next, navigate to the campaigns section from the main dashboard. Locate the email campaign you wish to restore. Click on the campaign name to open its details. Under the campaign overview, check for the Activity tab. Select the Activity tab to review previous performance and actions taken on the campaign. If the campaign was archived, you'll find an option to unarchive it here. Click on the Unarchive button to restore your campaign to the active list. Now, return to the campaign's dashboard and create a segment. To create a segment, go to the Audience tab and select Segments from the drop-down. Choose Create Segment to start defining your target group. Set your conditions based on audience data, such as engagement levels or purchase history. Save your segment with a descriptive name for future reference. Once your segment is created, go back to the Campaigns section. Select the restored campaign that you want to automate. Click on Edit to modify the settings of this campaign. Scroll down to the Automation section to set up automated triggers. Choose your trigger based on the segment you created, like if someone joins the segment. Configure the email content, ensuring it aligns with your goals and audience preferences. Finally, review all settings and test the automation to ensure it functions correctly. Once satisfied, click Start Sending to activate your restored email campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.